Who delivers the Easter eggs to children in France then?
C'est pas moi.
If it's not him, who is it? Is it la girafe? Or is it le lama? Or maybe it is l'ours. Who is it? This is what we're going to see in today's lesson. I'm Géraldine and I'm happy to help you get better at speaking and understanding Easter French today. Today it is Easter in France. We call this Pâques. P-A-Q-U-E-S. Don't forget un accent circonflexe sur le A and the S at the end, because if you remove the S, it makes for the Jewish Pesach. Families gather together to eat l'agneau pascal. L'agneau pascal. L'agneau is the son of le mouton. It is the Easter lamb. And like your children when they were little, or maybe your grandchildren now, children love to go on une chasse aux œufs. We say la chasse aux œufs. La chasse is the hunt and un œuf is this. Well, actually that's un œuf. That's not what we want for Easter. This is what we want. It is un œuf en chocolat. Un œuf en chocolat. And it looks delicious. Les œufs en chocolat are hidden everywhere. And here in Grenoble, there's even une chasse aux œufs, usually organized in the mountain for the children of the city by the mayor of Grenoble. Who delivers the Easter eggs then? Because we saw that. It's not le lapin.
Oh.
But is it la girafe? No.
Oh.
It's not l'ours either. Oh. And it's not le lama. Oh, the lapin fell down. Oh. No, actually it is les cloches de Pâques. Les cloches are the bells and they come from Rome because the Christians celebrate the resurrection of Jesus during this time. So the bells come all the way from Rome to their own city in France in order to give eggs to the children. So there is no Easter rabbit in France. Do you know who else doesn't work in France? The tooth fairy. So if you want to find out who gets the teeth of the children in France, check out this video because I will give you the answer and I wish you Joyeuses Pâques. À tout de suite, Joyeuses Pâques. Today it is Easter in France. Woo! Ah! Too many props.